What's going on, everyone? Gilman with the Wellthy Stocks, back with our daily Apple update video, ticker symbol AAPL, where we take a look at how Apple stock traded today, key levels of support and resistance that we are looking at moving into the future. We'll also take a look at some news around the Apple stock, and based on that, what we think Apple stock could do. So real quick, as always, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Apple are. And I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let me go ahead and hit record. We will get right into the video. Small red day for Apple, down about $1.18, which is 0.93%. Taking a look at the overall index, the NASDAQ was down about 0.38%, so relatively flat on the day. Dow Jones was down 61 points, and the S&P was also down 0.25%. So pretty much a small red day all across the board. I was freaking out there just for a second. I don't know if you guys, even right now, I don't know what's going on in the after hours. Sometimes, see? So it said 5% down after hours like a second ago, but I'm assuming that's just some bad fills or something glitchy going on. Apple is not actually down that much in the after hours, thankfully. So pretty flat day. There's a quick news article that I want to look at, and that talks about some potential things that Apple has coming up. The first one being they're potentially launching an AirPod 3. So what we're expecting is it's going to be a mixture of the original AirPods and the AirPods Pro design. We're probably going to get something that is going to be like the AirPods Pro, with shorter stems, a shorter charging case, and rearranged sensors. So here are my iPod Pros. What I've seen is it's this product here without this little tip. So I think it'll be like a mixture of like my wired AirPod looking headphones and these headphones, which I guess is cool. But I think they're not going to be as expensive as the AirPod Pros. So that's good news. Hopefully, they get more buyers. The other thing that Apple is doing is they are going to launch Apple Music Hi-Fi, which is high quality lossless audio streaming option for Apple Music subscribers. Currently, Tidal is one of the more known brands that's doing this. It's higher quality music. Apple's closest peer, Spotify, is also expecting to launch a higher quality tier. So that's what we're talking about, right? We had a bunch of products last month: iPad Pro, iMac, AirTags, Apple TV 4K, and a revamped credit card offering. But now we're hoping that this newer AirPod can also help them drive some sales. So that's a little bit of quick news. As always, everything with Apple we usually hear about with rumors anyway, so not too bad there. But let's take a look at what we are looking at here. So right out of the gate, we pushed down to $125, and then it was looking like it was going to be a pretty flat down day, but then we pushed up kind of into the close. So what I like about this is that we ended the day above VWAP. We ended the day on a nice push, and overall not too bad of a day. Let's take a quick look at our support and our resistance levels. So we had a pretty nasty sell-off after the earnings, right, kind of coming right back into the low 120s that we were at before, and now we are starting to push up again into the 126s. So our first level of resistance, as you guys could see, is that 126 level, and then 128.54 after that, and then 130, and then our level of support, first level is 123.69, then 121.48. RSI is not looking too bad, right? A little bit more on the oversold than the overbought side, but what we were seeing is that EMA acting as a little bit of a resistance today, so keep an eye out on that. That's in the high 126s right now. Hopefully we can take that, and that can be our level of support. But yeah, so EMAs were below. Hopefully we start to push up. My current covered call for this week is at 130. I sold it last Friday when Apple was in the 127s. I think got like $80 in credit for it, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm hoping for that to expire worthless this week. My guess would be if we see a couple green days, we end around the 128 level this week. Maybe a couple green days, maybe a couple red days. If we get some crazy news other than the products we talked about, it could go as high as 130. But I think that, I think it'll be a slow grind up right now. So that's all I had for you guys today. It was a quick video. Just wanted to quickly cover all those things, talk about support levels, resistance levels. Really, S&P, what we are looking at is kind of that $415 mark, how it does, and then the 420 mark. I think those are going to be pretty key levels. And then for the QQQs, what I'm keeping an eye out is how it reacts with those EMAs. So as you can see, right, rejected by the 8 again. So hopefully we start to push up and make a push towards the kind of 330 level sometime this week as well. But yeah, keep an eye out on those. As always, I'll keep you guys posted on everything that I see from Apple stock and the market. Let me know down in the comment section if there's anything else you think with Apple stock that I may have missed, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.